We would like to help these children, and we are excited to work with University of Malaya Medical Center, who has already saved a lot of children over the years.
Tatap gambar wajahmu, sinar mata itu, lirik senyumanmu, pesona yang membelai wajahmu.
Cabaran saya daripada saya diberhentikan kerja hingga masa itu memang saya rasa memang sangat sedih sekali. Apa perasaan saya seperti anak saya tak macam kanak-kanak lain bermain, dia tengok kawan-kawan dia pun rasa macam sedih juga.
Terlalu istimewa kasih dan sayangmu terpancar seikhlas tiada batasan terus membara terkilau.
我们听也是听一些父母亲说了，去九号那边古代那边有一个，就一直到去年的11月尾，孩子就跟我们讲，我跟他爸爸两个人差不多是要晕倒，很感激医院帮所安排的一切。我现在最大的希望就是我不希望Chloe长大要当医生、工程师还是什么，我们只希望他快快乐乐、健健康康这样子成长。
Leukemia is a type of blood cancer and it is the commonest cancer seen in children. Even though the word leukemia strikes fear in the hearts and minds of parents, but they should take faith that leukemia, even though it is common, it is amongst the types of cancer that have the highest rates of cure. And in fact, in this institution, we are seeing cure rates of between 85 to 90%. And what we mean by cure is that the children have the capacity to grow up into normal, healthy adults. They can grow up, marry, have jobs, have children, and lead fairly normal lives. Okay. I'm very excited at this opportunity to work with TESCO to raise funds to help needy children with leukemia, to enable them to receive chemotherapy and a chance of cure just like any other child, and not have socio-economic factors be a barrier for them to achieve a healthy life.
Cita-cita saya nak jadi accountant seperti ayah saya.
Harapan saya dia sembuh sepenuhnya dan dia back to normal lah, macam budak-budak macam seperti Faris yang dulu.
Selama saya menghadapi penyakit leukemia, saya telah melalui rawatan radioterapi dan kemo. Pesanan saya yang senasib sama saya, haruslah semangat dan berusaha dan yakin kepada diri. Kita boleh sembuh, dan kepada ibu bapa, jangan cepat pun dah berputus asa.
I went through treatment by chemotherapy. I am viable now. If I can do it, you can do. Terima kasih kerana membantu kami.